Welcome to Crypto News, the fastest and most important cryptocurrency news. Subscribe and get likes, it's very important for my promotion, please. And now let's talk about the news. Circle company uses corporate funds and external capital to support USDcoin unless it timely to fully recover some of the reserves stablecoin held in Silicon accounts Balak on Friday, March 10. The Department of California's Financial Protection of Innovation closed Silicon Valley Bank SVB and appointed FDS manager. The reason was insufficient liquidity and not solvency. The regulator noted that the depositors of the credit institution will have full access to their insured deposits no later than Monday morning. On March 13, Circle, along with Coinbase, enters a consortium of the Center, which is the issuer of USD. On March 11, the company announced that it is storing U in the IP portion of the asset's $3.3 billion reserve collateral dollars. On this backdrop, the stake was coin lost parity to the US dollar according to the coinage to its price renewed historic low at near 88 cents. At the time of writing, the asset has somewhat regained its peg and is trading around 96 cents later. In its Circle blog, stated that redemption of the USD is limited to business hours. US banks operations with USDC liquidity will resume as normal mode after the opening of US banks Monday morning, as the regulated payment token USD will continue to trade against the US dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio. Said in a statement, the stablecoin sector felt an immediate domino effect. The panicked sell-off of USD led to the loss of its peg to the dollar. US writes blockchain 24, as stablecoin is often used to secure other betting coins. Then they also lost their peg sale, triggered by Silicon Bank SVB, which failed to process a request from Circle for transfer of $3 billion. Turned out to be that it was a sensitive part of the collateral USD totaling $40 million, given the spillover effects of the USD major stablecoin ecosystem, followed suit by losing their peg to the US dollar, and some about as much as Coin in particular was issued. Market owl lost 7.4% of its value, and behind the USDC peg, as of June 2022, at a rate of yes, and to the tune of $6.78 billion, were secured cryptocurrencies to the tune of $8.52 billion. Dollars corroborate the statistician's data, and the total amount of collateral USD represented 51.87% day coverage of $4.42 billion. Other notable cryptocurrencies include ATR and Pax Dollar USD at $0.66 billion and $0.61 billion respectively, as a result of days cancellation of the peg to the dollar, and momentarily touched the $0.897 mark at the time the statistic was written, and was coins recovered and was trading near the 93 cents. United States dollars. Digital USSD Disney was coin issued by the Throne Tyrex, and stablecoin Frax with a fractional algorithm suffered a similar fate due to unfavorable market sentiment. USD responded to the USDC sell-off, a drop of nearly 7.5% to $0.925, while the FXC fell even more to $0.885. Other popular cryptocurrencies such as USD and Binance USB continues to maintain its peg to win to the US dollar. All trials to cancel the peg began after the circus announced the erection of processed a request to withdraw $3.3 billion after it was confirmed late today. It was confirmed that the transfers initiated Thursday to the removal of balances had not yet been processed. $3 billion of the roughly $40 billion in USD reserves remain in SVB, confirmed on Twitter. The company's circular March 11, 2023 SVP was closed. The Department of Financial Protection for Innovation California for unknown reasons. However, California regulators has appointed the Federal Corporation Deposit Insurance FDS as the administrator to protect insured deposits. This is my farewell to you. Subscribe to our channel by clicking on the bell, and also be sure to leave a comment below video.